Hi guys, today we're going to be watching these EAS, old EAS alarms. I'm going to see what they're like. Before we start, make sure you smack the like button and subscribe. That's scary. Oh look, there's a little picture at the bottom. Shh, the angels are singing. Lol. By the way, Afghanistan is the most dangerous country. Oh, I can't tell anything of this, but it's scary. Never heard of this one. Oh, what was that? At least they care about people's needs. I don't know how to say it, but yeah. Yeah, it's a scary ice cream truck. Poor Poland. Yo, what was that? Not scary. But it sounds scary, actually. It's like how literally the night of scariness is. Is this a music song? It takes like 11 minutes. Well, this is creepy. I've heard this one before. That's creepy. Oh my god, this one's so scary, actually. That just jump scared me. I like how there's a deadly sign there. Not scary at all. Very disappointing. Oh no, I have to stop. Well, that was weird. And I just popped up while I'm recording. Well, ignore that. Let's keep going. Creepy. Seven out of 3 and 0 out of 10. The reply. Look at the ellipses. I've never heard of this one. You know the Russia in 1991? Wait. You know the Russia 1991? That was played when the Soviet Union collapsed. That's scary. Yo, what was that? Yo, what was that? What's this? What? Yeah, this is definitely scary. Sounds like the Roblox survived and killed the killers in Area 51. Lol. This is so creepy. Yeah, you hear the uncanny scream in here. See? Heard that. This woman screaming right now. If I heard this, I would pee myself. Lol. dollar alarm, literally. I don't know why Argentina is so scary. They're like, stop, you're scaring me. Siren head! Siren head but high pitched, I think.
Alerta de emergência emitido
That's
pelo
Portuguese,
governo
right?
federal. Classe 5. Ameaça iminente.
Yeah, that's Portuguese. I don't like that. Sounds like Puerto Rico, old, but at least scarier. But you mean less scarier. Oh my god, I hate this. Well, that was it, so we're gonna do one more. Nothing. Yo, what? Imagine if you hear this sound at night, I would just die. Alright. Wait, I have to put my volume up. What was that? Okay, never mind. Yo! 9 out of 10. This kind of jump scared me for a second. Alright, we're gonna stop here. Thank you guys for watching this video. We'll see you in another video. Bye guys!